Hey guys, JD here. This is the Kawasaki Ultra 310 LXS, and then of course I've got a 1998 Kawasaki STX 1100 right there. So as you can see here, this is my standard winch strap. Now this winch isn't that old. The trailer is older. I rebuilt it earlier this year. I mean, I did new springs, new bearings, new wheels and tires, new winches, all new stainless hardware here. But what I couldn't find was a strap with a stainless hook. So WavesRX has sent me a set of their premium straps with stainless steel hooks to avoid yours looking like this. All right, so we're home from the boat ramp, and now we're gonna replace this winch strap here. First thing you wanna do is disengage your winch. Now you can see that this strap is held on with a nut and bolt, so I'm going to go ahead and remove those, and that'll allow me to disconnect this old strap. On this particular winch, the nut was a 13 millimeter. So I've run into a couple issues removing my old winch strap here. So normally, if you loosen this nut on the end here, you could just pop that bolt right out. So in this one, it's seized in place. So the first thing we want to do is I took a razor blade just like this one here, and I went and sliced the old strap out of the way. Now you can see on this particular model, there was a little piece of nylon strap that they had just put over this dowel here. So then basically this dowel is stuck in there. The bolt is, when it spins, the whole bolt spins. So it's seized together. So the first thing you want to do in a situation like this is go ahead and lube it up with some, whether it's WD-40 or a product like this, and you're gonna let that soak for a little bit. The next thing we're gonna do is I just have a bolt here that's slightly smaller than that bolt, and I'm gonna use a hammer, and we're gonna tap it out of the way. So this one I freed up already, and I'm just showing you, and then you'd basically line up your other bolt like this, and you'd use your hammer and pop that out. So you can see that bolt's a little bit rusty. You can replace this with new hardware, or you can clean it up and reuse it. So looking at this winch, you can see it's got quite a bit of rust. So I'm gonna spray the whole thing down with some anti-corrosive lubricant, and I'm gonna go through and clean the whole thing up. Now some of the rust like this, you could use a Scotch-Brite pad to get it all out of the way, or you could just use a rag to clean up any surface rust. All right, so we've cleaned our winch up just a bit. We've lubed everything up here. So WavesRX was generous enough to send me 2 of these, one for each of the skis on my double trailer. These can hold up to 5,500 pounds, which exceeds the rating of the winch. These straps are 2 inches wide and 12 feet in length. I also want to show you guys, here's your warranty card that comes with these WavesRX straps. Now these have a market-leading 3-year replacement warranty. These speak for themselves. I mean, look at this. These are just, look at that stitching there, lots of reinforced stitching. You can see that dual springs. This is a really heavy duty, high quality stainless steel part. So here's our WavesRX winch strap with a stainless steel hook and safety latch, and your OEM equivalent, the one that comes on your winch. I mean, there you go. And don't forget, this hook right here was responsible for holding a $20,000 jet ski onto this trailer. So keep that in mind. Whether your winch just has a bolt or it has a bushing like this, in this case, I'm going to reuse this bushing. So again, every winch is going to be a little different. In this one, there was a little bushing there. So we're just going to put that bushing back in place, and you're going to push your bolt through like that. All right, so we've got our new WavesRX strap in place. We've got our hardware secured. We just reused the bolt that was securing the strap in there previously. And now all we got to do is wind this winch up. So of course you want to crank that winch until the strap is fully seated. And then here's another look at our stainless steel hook and clasp. So the next thing we're going to do, and this is included with the WavesRX kit, there's this high strength nylon strap. So unlike some competitor straps, which include a bow tether on the hook strap, So you'll see some of them will have a strap like this that's mounted to the hook here. With this one, it's designed to be a permanent tether attached to your ski so that you could basically attach this and then leave it on there. You put that through like that, and you can see that now that's attached to our bow eye. And then we're going to use this right here to attach our WavesRX stainless hook, just like that. Now we're going to engage our winch. And because this is a new strap, it's going to have to be tightened up a bit for the first time here. There we go. Now, of course, if you choose, you could attach this hook directly to your boat or ski, but if you want to prevent it from getting damaged, you can use this nylon strap. You can also see the nylon strap makes it a little easier when you have rollers in place. This hook isn't going to get jammed in there. Well, this has been another great product from WavesRX. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to check out WavesRX.com for more details. You can find their products on Amazon as well.
If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more Kawasaki content, only on JD's Waterworld.